Meaning of foolhardy.
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 Foolhardy. Foolhardy means recklessly bold or rash, without considering the potential consequences or risks involved. It is often used to describe actions or decisions that are impulsive, thoughtless, and potentially dangerous. People who act in a foolhardy manner may put themselves or others at risk, which can lead to negative outcomes such as injury, loss, or even tragedy. Overall, being foolhardy means acting without caution or due consideration, which can have serious consequences.